G'day guys, welcome back to another Paintless Dent Repair video. My name's Adam, I'm the owner at Dents-B-Gone, and we've just finished repairing this near new Hyundai Tucson. This thing's only got 1700 Ks on it, basically brand new. We were able to repair this nasty dent in the quarter panel right behind my head. Just over a day's worth of work. So I'm just about to take it back to the customer, but I thought I should bring you in and show you how this repair turned out and just show you what's possible with Paintless Dent Repair. So check it out guys, thanks for watching. Alright, so now that you've seen just how bad this damage was, I want to quickly explain to you what the difference is between what we do as Paintless Dent Repair technicians and what a panel shop would do if this was to go into a panel shop. So basically, to begin with, they'd strip everything down, take the quarter glass out, the bumper bar off, tail light out, strip this door because this door would have to get blended as well when they paint it. So they'd repair this panel and blend into this panel as well when they paint it, so there's no color difference but along the edge here. So with the panel shop also, this is going to end up with bog in it. There's no two ways about it. So they'd pull it out as best they can, get the body lines back up, and then fill it, sand it all down, undercoat it, and then paint. So that's the difference between what we've done and what a panel shop would do. So anyway, let's check out the end result and see what you guys think. Cheers. So what do you guys think about that repair? This thing come up good, I'm pretty happy with it. So drop a comment down below, leave us some feedback, let us know what you thought about it. Anyway, thanks again for watching guys. If you do have damage like this in your car, don't take it straight to a panel shop. Give us a ring first, see if we can help you. And also if you need to go through your insurance, we can help with that as well. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you need to call us, our number is 0427 599 560.